Hi everyone, my name is Tanjay Lewis. This is the start of my second year in the MSW program. I am super excited for year two, especially this fall with field placement. I'm super excited to get out and start to put to work some of the things that we've been learning. Professor Aina, I am super excited to learn from you and to hear more of your story and your experience in the MSW program. I think it's so cool that you are a professor and you went through the same program that we are currently going through. So I definitely would love to hear more about that and a little bit more about myself. So I am 28 years old. I am born and raised in South Jersey, been here my whole life. I am currently a first grade teacher at an inner city school nearby. This is my sixth year in the education system, and I have definitely learned that it is not for me. And so I'm very, very excited to be back in school and to be pursuing what I feel like is more of the career that I was meant to do. In my free time, I love shopping, cooking, and baking. I love hanging out with friends and family. Definitely love vacationing, whether it's close by or a few hours away or hopping on a plane, especially after quite a few years of the pandemic. And so that's all I have for me. And as far as my three assets, so my number one asset that I think I will contribute to this course is my own childhood experience. I believe a lot of the stories that we've read and heard of already, and probably a lot of stories that we'll hear for those of us who are going to work with children, I share a lot of similarities in terms of experience. You know, I have suffered from abandonment and neglect. I experienced trauma really early on in life, had to grow up quicker than I should have. And so I think that that's a super, super good tool to have because I know how it feels. I will be able to relate to future clients and patients in that sense. The second asset I bring to the class will be just how passionate I am and how on fire I am about social work and about helping others and about bringing peace and healing to others through social work. It's definitely something that I feel like I have survived the trauma in my life so that I could be here today to help another young girl or young boy be able to overcome and triumph as well. And my third asset would be that I am very open and willing to be taught, willing to be coached, willing to learn. I am very open to hearing other people's perspectives and ideas and simply just learning from other people based off of their opinion. I'm super excited to work with everybody. Thank you.